So the first conic we're going to go over is the circle that makes up the head of our driver here. You might notice there's a chunk taken out of it, and that's because I said a domain of x is less than or equal to 0.75. Yeah. Alright, the equation for this circle is x squared plus y plus 2, and parentheses, and that's squared, and then a equals 1. And since it's 1 right here, since the 1 here equals r squared, the radius is 1, and since x is by itself, we know that the h value is 0, and the 2 value is k, so the center is 0, 2. Alright, so the next we're going to go over is the hyperbola that makes up the front and rear headlights of our car. You might notice that they don't go beyond these lines right here, and that's because I set the domain as x is less than or equal to 7.5 and greater than or equal to negative 7.5. So it's not going to continue extending out beyond the borders of the car. Alright, so the equation for that hyperbola was x squared over 36 minus y plus 4.5, and then parentheses squared, and then that's over 1, and that equals 1. Since x is by itself, you know h is 0, so center is going to be 0, and then that's k, so 0, 4.5. That's a squared, so a is going to be 6, so it's going to be plus or minus 6 and 4.5 for the vertices. The foci is plus or minus 6.08, and then 4.5, because 36 plus 1 and square rooted equals 6.08. That's what c is, because for hyperbolas, c squared plus a squared, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, and then this is the equation for the asymptote, because for when the transverse axis is horizontal, it's k plus b over a times x minus h equals y.